Hello everyone, I am here at a new listing that is coming soon property in Jonestown that is going to hit the market in the next day. We're going to be doing an open house here on Sunday from 1 to 3, so you are certainly invited to attend, and the address is 28 Plymouth Drive in Jonestown. So behind me here you can see beautiful leaded glass doors, and it opens up into a great room that is just spectacular. Behind me you're going to see there are an entire wall of bookshelves, lighting, area for your TV. There's pull-out drawers that you can see as well behind me there. And so expansive space here, open vaulted ceilings that you can see. It is really spectacular. There's a propane fireplace as well, and that's a nice ambiance and or feature come wintertime to put that propane fireplace on. The nice thing here as well is that our bedrooms are on two opposing sides. So we have two bedrooms on this side of the home, arched doorways, solid wood floors. The guest bedroom here, this is going to be bedroom number 1, is really attractive. It has that beautiful feature window behind me. There are 3 zones to the heat here, and it is just chock full of really great updates and upgrades. Bathroom is very roomy. It has a double vanity. It has mosaic tile here surrounding the vanity space with a double bowl. You can see there we have linen closet, really nice tile as well around the bathtub. And then just down the hallway is the secondary bedroom. So this is going to be a second bedroom on this side of the wing. Nice wood solid doors, closets and entry doors. Wood flooring again is really nice quality. Ceiling fans have all been upgraded, so they're a nice upgrade as well. The property owners have only lived here for about 3 years. So 2-3 years, somewhere in that time frame, but they've done a really nice job with updating it. There's a bonus room, and this bonus room behind me is space that you can use as you wish. It would make a really great office space, or it would work perfectly for what they're using it for, which is a family room space off of the great room. We get a lot of nice light in here, and so behind me you can see the plants here are thriving with all of the light. But it's a room that you can use as you wish, hobby room, toy room, office, you name it. The great room I was mentioning to you, off of it, is our kitchen. And we're sure you see that. I mean, that kitchen is really outstanding. But there's a nice throughway here, a nice arched throughway that shows you can still be entertaining guests and be part of the entertaining if they are in the living room space. But behind me here is going to be the kitchen. So take a look at that kitchen space. It just goes on and on and on. Wood flooring in here. All of your appliances are going to stay. The countertops are all granite. We have a built-in oven, microwave. So microwave and oven. Again, we have light-up cabinetry. We have propane cooktop, stainless steel, really attractive brand vented hood, as well as all this space below here for the kitchen here. So all of these drawers pull out. There's 7 drawers plus the basket space as well that pulls out. So again, so much space here. Light up cabinetry is attractive. Pantry space for all your extra storage needs. But I mean, look at all that space, nicely done, well kept. Nothing here has been left undone. The next room is our powder room. We have a powder room just off of the kitchen area in a nice open hallway area here, as well as the laundry facilities that you can see behind me. So cabinetry, washer, dryer do not stay. They are going to go with the homeowner. We do have a washing that's also helpful. And then we're going to head over into the primary bedroom. So this is our 3rd bedroom. And look at that. So the 3rd bedroom is really expansive as well. We have a closet here. Closets have nice lighting, so you don't have to guess if it's black or navy blue like I do on many occasions. But wow, there's it's really pretty. It's so clean, organized, neat, ready to move in. No stone has been left unturned here. And I am stepping foot now into our primary bathroom. We have double vanities here. We have a soaking tub behind me that is really nice. You can, and then inside the bathroom here is another closet. Now these closets, they also have organizers. So they have pull-out drawers for organizational, which, you know, given the fact that I'm a girl that loves clothing and shoes and all the things, the space is really, really nice here. So all of those organizational items will stay. The cabinet above the toilet will remain, and then you have a stand-up shower. So it's pretty darn impressive throughout the house. And all of this house is $460,000. So what a value here to have 3 bedrooms, all on 1 story, hardwood floors, solid wood doors, immense kitchen, immense great room. And I didn't show you everything because there's also great space outside as well for outdoor entertaining. So I have 2 more areas to show you. It's the outside area. There's 2 patios, 2 decks, and a basement that is partially finished as well.